bear and bear. Basket and basket. Bat and bat. Chest and chest. Night and night. Letter and letter. Keyboard and keyboard. Orange and orange. Rice in a bowl. Candles on a cake. Coffee in a cup. Books on a shelf. Words on a page. Fruit on a stick. Sleep in a tent. Sugar on a spoon. A label on a jar. A bird in the hand. What's on the menu? In the news. A fish on a plate. In the living room. On the front page. Ice in a glass. Winter boots. Strong wind. Umbrella. Scarf. Snow scene. Mittens. Jumper. Falling temperature. Thunderstorm. Hot drink. Woolly hat. Acorns. Freezing fog. Cozy fire. Snowflake. Christmas stocking. April showers. Flowers in bloom. Keep the eggs warm. Salad days. Spring fair. An hour in the garden. Time to explore. A lucky catch. Keeping cool. Picnic in the park. Head for the beach. Catching some rays. Sunday barbecue. Does it still fit? Get away from it all. Happy times.